my G's. So I am brushing out this day hair, took off the wig, you know what I mean. I'm going to be washing my hair, ready for a protective style. So first I'm getting my hair really wet. Who hates closing their eyes underneath the shower? You think Duffy's going to come out and get you. So I am using the Shae Moisture Daily Hydration Shampoo, and I'm using this to wash my hair. It's sulphate free, it lifts away impurities and it rehydrates your hair. I've been using Shae Moisture for the past 3 months. I used the other range before, now I'm trying out this new one. It's 100% virgin coconut oil. Absolutely love it, and it cleans my hair so nicely. It just gets rid of all the impurities and the buildup without drying out my hair. Guys, this is available at Boots for $10.99, so make sure you get your hands on it. I literally massage my scalp like there's no life. Plus it feels so good. So once I've done that, I repeat this about 2 or 3 times depending how dirty my hair is, and then I'm just gonna wash that out quickly before the duppy comes back in. Guys, I hate showering and having my eyes closed. Oh my god. But yeah, look how my hair just looks really light and just like it looks clean already, guys. So now I'm using the Daily Hydration Conditioner. I use this to detangle my hair. So first I just distribute it evenly throughout my hair, working my way from the root to the tip, from the front to the back. I have a lot of hair on my head, so I sometimes tend to use half the bottle. But yes, anywho, so that's my hair fully covered with it. Guys, it literally leaves your hair so silky and leaves it so smooth, and it softens it without weighing down the hair. I just get a nice brush, a big one, and I just detangle my hair, because it's best to do it when it's wet, when the conditioner is in there, and plus you're working the conditioner from the root to the tip of your hair. So now it's time for the leave-in treatment. I love the fact that I can just spray this on my hair. It goes evenly through the roots to the tip, and then I just massage that in. It's like a really lightweight milk leave-in treatment. It's like very restorative formula, and it rehydrates the hair. It helps detangles it and reduces frizz. And Lord knows my hair is frizzy. Guys, it takes my hair a day and a half, maybe 2 days, to get back to its like very curly, silky state. But for like the first day or so, I am a frizz ball unless I put in lots and lots of product. But then still, it's a frizz ball. Anywho, I am using my trusty, amazing, lifesaver hair dryer brush. Guys, 20 minutes and I'm out the door. I look somewhat presentable, and I've had my hair done. And those are the ends. And I've just done like tidy it at the back. This shampoo and the conditioner was really good because my hair was really soft and it wasn't really hard to comb through. You can see my scalp just looks really nice and really silky, and it's just so cute. Oh, I look like a cute little rasta. Mommy, I look like you today. How do you feel? So yeah. But yeah, stay. Everything airy, everything crisp, everything good. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial and how I prep my hair for my dreads and how basically I just keep my natural hair moisturized. You get to finally see my natural curls and see what's popping. I had heat damage to the front of my hair and it was horrible, and then like I've been using Shae Moisture for the past 3 months now, and I've been kind of snipping off the little heat damage bits, but my curls are coming back. It's just looking better and better and better. And obviously when I wash my hair always looks dry and weird, but it's not. And then after like day 2 it just gets really silky and all that. I have really interesting texture hair and it does the most madness, but I really like Shae Moisture and I've been using it for the longest, and I've used it on my partner as well, and it's really making our hair just get really, because my hair dries out, so it really does help my hair bounce back. It's more full of life and it really does like wash my hair really nice and clean, and my scalp, it doesn't get bad anymore. I have like dermatitis of the scalp, so it flakes and like stuff stick to my scalp. That's gone. I thought I had to get, you know, like the proper like medicated stuff, but I've been using Shae Moisture to wash my hair and they haven't come back, and it's been 3 months, so enough love Shae Moisture. Anyways guys, big up yourself. Ja Rastafari.